Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon Cognito. Amazon Cognito is a fully managed service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that simplifies the process of adding user sign-up, sign-in, and access control to web and mobile applications. It is designed to handle user identity and authentication, allowing developers to focus on building their applications without the complexities of managing user identities, authentication mechanisms, and user data storage. Overview of Amazon Cognito features. 1. User sign-up and sign-in. Amazon Cognito provides built-in sign-up and sign-in options for users. It supports traditional username, password-based authentication, as well as social identity providers like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and others through OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect. 2. Identity Federation. Cognito allows you to integrate with existing identity systems by supporting federation with SAML-based identity providers. This allows you to enable single sign-on, SSO, for your application. 3. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. To enhance security, Cognito offers MFA options like SMS, time-based one-time password, TOTP, or custom methods to add an extra layer of protection to user sign-ins. 4. Security and privacy controls. Cognito provides features like password policies, account recovery, and the ability to revoke user tokens to ensure security and privacy compliance. 5. User profiles and data synchronization. Cognito can store user profile data and sync it across devices. This enables seamless user experiences across various platforms and devices. 6. Customizable workflows. Developers can customize the authentication and authorization flows according to their application-specific requirements. 7. Scalability and availability. Amazon Cognito is a fully managed service, meaning AWS handles the scaling and availability aspects, ensuring high performance even during traffic spikes. 8. Serverless. As a serverless service, you don't need to manage any infrastructure to use Cognito. AWS takes care of scaling and maintenance. 9. Integration with AWS services. Cognito integrates with other AWS services like Amazon API Gateway, AWS AppSync, and AWS Lambda, making it easier to build serverless applications. Advantages of Amazon Cognito. 1. Ease of implementation. Amazon Cognito simplifies the process of adding user authentication and identity management to applications, reducing the development time and effort required. 2. Security. Cognito implements robust security measures, including MFA and encryption, to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. 3. Scalability and high availability. Being an AWS managed service, Cognito can scale automatically to handle millions of users without any additional effort from developers. It also benefits from AWS's global infrastructure, ensuring high availability. 4. Cost-effective. As a pay-as-you-go service, Cognito eliminates the need for upfront infrastructure investments and allows you to pay only for the resources you consume. 5. Built-in social identity providers. Cognito supports popular social identity providers, making it easy for users to sign in with their existing social media accounts, reducing friction during the sign-up process. 6. Flexibility and customization. While Cognito provides default authentication flows, it is highly customizable to suit the specific needs of your application. 7. Mobile and web support. Cognito is well suited for both web and mobile applications, providing a seamless experience across various platforms. Overall, Amazon Cognito is a powerful tool for developers to implement secure and scalable user authentication and identity management in their applications without the need to manage complex infrastructure. AWS Cognito can be utilized in various use cases to add user authentication, identity management, and access control functionalities to web and mobile applications. Some of the common use cases for Amazon Cognito include: 1. User sign-up and sign-in for web and mobile apps. Cognito simplifies the process of adding user registration and login capabilities to web and mobile applications. It supports both traditional username, password-based authentication and social login options, allowing users to sign in using their existing social media accounts. 2. Single sign-on, SSO. Amazon Cognito can act as an identity broker, allowing users to log in once and access multiple applications without the need to sign in again. This is particularly useful for organizations with multiple applications that want to provide a seamless user experience. 3. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Cognito offers built-in MFA capabilities, allowing developers to add an extra layer of security to user sign-ins. This is crucial for applications that require enhanced protection against unauthorized access. 4. Identity federation. With Cognito, you can integrate your application with external identity providers using federation protocols like SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language. This enables you to leverage existing identity systems and enable SSO across various platforms. 5. User profile management. Cognito provides the ability to store and manage user profile data. This can include basic user information, preferences, and custom attributes relevant to your application. 6. Access control and authorization. You can use Cognito's built-in functionality to control user access to certain resources or features within your application. This allows you to manage user permissions effectively. 7. Social apps and games. For social applications or games, Cognito can handle user sign-ups and logins, enabling interactions between users, and managing user profiles and progress across devices. 8. IoT device authentication. Amazon Cognito can be used to authenticate IoT devices, securing communication between devices and cloud services. 9. Serverless applications. When building serverless applications with AWS Lambda and other AWS services, Cognito can handle user authentication and secure access to APIs and resources. 10. Mobile and web app synchronization. Cognito allows developers to synchronize user data and preferences across multiple devices, providing a seamless experience as users switch between devices. 11. Enterprise applications. Cognito can be used in enterprise settings to manage user identities and access control for internal applications, providing a secure and unified authentication solution. 12. Compliance and regulatory requirements. Cognito's security features and privacy controls can help applications meet compliance standards and regulations, such as GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. These are just a few examples of the many use cases where Amazon Cognito can be beneficial. Its flexibility and integration with other AWS services make it a valuable tool for developers looking to implement secure and scalable user authentication and identity management solutions. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.